Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today I'm going to talk about on 8:55, February 21st, Thursday. Just wanted to let you know that all our prices will be going up in the next few days. Actually, it's going to be a weekend of sales. Moving into the time, I'll be announcing it on my social media here on Facebook and YouTube. A couple things. If you want to get in on the action, you want to get a couple of books I wrote about a year or 2 years ago, just come over to quantlabs.net/book. That will give you two books on one called How to Trade Like a Boss. It's really meant for automation with Excel plugins that will help you build screeners and some really cool trading ideas. So you get that for free. And then you'll get into my opt-in list for all the things that I've got going on in terms of sales, offers, and just basically announcements of what I'm currently working on. So right now, last a week ago, I've put out this track record dashboard, which is free and easily accessible. I just put up a video reporting that my cryptocurrency trading bot 2 nights ago reported 9.75% profit for the day. So if you come under here for February 19th, I just put up another video reporting it for 2% on the 20th, and the reasons why it's not as high, but considering it's pretty good. It's still blowing through my 1% daily target goal. So I'm pretty excited about that. So you can get the track record there with the equity curve and whatever else. So if you come under the store, under the shopping cart, here you're going to have two options. If you want to learn how to build something like this, I put out over the last 6 weeks different video replays hinting on how the logic that I've used, the indicators that I've used for the technical analysis to show you how to build out this type of trading robot to get this type of performance. One of my members that took the course was reporting a few nights ago he was getting or seeing a 5% return on one of the crypto pairs out there. I just can't remember at the time. And so if you use this can work quite well as long as you got the drive and the ambition to do it. Now, if you're not a technical person, you can come under the analytics here, which is gives you reports on the bot, but it's on a daily analysis or daily time frame. It also gives you analysis for both CFD and forex. From what I'm seeing so far over the last week or two, the forex calls and the picks have been working really, really well. So I'm actually looking at to bring back the pricing and the actual automated trading for both the CFDs and the forex because it seems to be working. That one doesn't work as well anywhere close to my minute-by-minute strategy, which you can find here under the track record to see how it works. But those strategies for the forex and CFD can work okay, not as good as the minute-by-minute crypto. So in here, I've got if you pick off the Quant Analytics, I just put up last night the new bundles that I promised. So what's happening is currently this membership is $97 per month, which is a steal. So if you buy in over the next few days before the price goes up at $125 per month, and it will go back up to $150, and so forth as we start to ramp up our marketing on social media, because there's clearly a demand for it. Our sales have been picking up quite a bit, so we're not going to wait around and keep it at $97 anymore. We're going to be actually ramping it up to $125 and then $150 per month. But if you jump in at the $97, you'll be grandfathered into that as long as you stay as a member at that rate. Also, for all the stuff that you get, we've just launched the about a month ago the chat server. So it's like a chat room. I'm on it constantly. I try to stay off of Facebook and Telegram and all those messenger services. I just don't need the tracking that we know about. So I built this where people can freely talk about their their income situation or whatnot, and not worry about being tracked at all by Big Brother. So anyways, these bundles I mentioned, so we have the monthly at will be 125, so you can get the 97 over the next few days. The annual, this is $9.97 at $97 plus. You're only paying for 10 months at the current rate, and that's moving forward, so that's not a special. But there will be a flash sale sometime this weekend where I will give a 2-for-1 deal. If you buy the full annual, you will get 2 years, so that's a pretty good deal. Also, I'd like to also mention that these bundles are no automated renewal, so you don't have to worry about that. Over the years, many people have shied away from it, so I don't bother doing the automated renewal. It's a good way to tick people off. I'm just not in the business of ticking people off. So anyway, so there's this annual. So if you want that, it's $9.97. As I said, there'll be a flash sale, 2-for-1 coming up Saturday or Sunday because it's the 21st of February. Also, we are going to include the 7-month, which is really a 6-month plus a free month. Again, charging only $97 per month for that. On top of that, we have a 3-month program bundle. So you pay $97 a month times 3 instead of the 125. So we got those bundles if you're interested. But the big sale I'd be looking out for if you are interested is the $9.97. A lot of people want to know how to get in on all this stuff. If you come over to quantlabs.net/book, as I said, you will get this book, Trade Like a Boss, and another one, The Secrets to Algorithmic Trading. So you get 2 PDFs, very quick reads. You just sign up and you'll be part of my email list. You don't have to worry about the list being sold off to people. I haven't never done that, and that's pretty well it. So as you know, Bernie Chan has mentioned myself in pretty well all his books, as well as in 2017, quantlabs.net was a chosen media partner for the AI Data Science Conference in New York City 2017. All right, so that's pretty well it. Hopefully that will help you out, and we shall talk to you later.